Welcome back, everyone. We're back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up, we have Cyborg Battle by Unknown Coffee. When we look at the code for this project, we can see some when I receive blocks, when actor collides blocks, and some when arrow press blocks for the movement of our character. Battle through space as a cyborg and defeat all that stand in your way. Next we have Protect the Queen by FrogAreKewl. Looking at FrogAreKewl's code, we see a forever and glide blocks for the movement of the queen, and some on-start blocks and set linear and angular velocity blocks. Use WASD and the arrows to control the two blocks to defend the queen. This next project is called AAs Adventure Pack Level 123 by Tempting Mansion. In the code, we see when actor collides block for the coins and display health for your life bar. Run through this platformer while defeating enemies. Last but certainly not least, we have Coin Collecting Tycoon and Boss Battle by KitsuneGirl. In KitsuneGirl's code, we can see some change score blocks to keep track of the count, set blocks, and script variable blocks as well. Collect as many coins as you can in this awesome multiplayer game. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!